Thanks for stopping by. Today we're doing a set of wiper blades on a Volkswagen CC. On some of the cars like the GTIs, you can park the wipers in the up position, but on this car you can do the work. You just got to be careful with the edge of the hood right here. You don't want to chip the paint off of it. So before we start working on it, we're going to protect it with this microfiber rag. So you see there's a little square in the middle. You just push it with your thumb while you're pulling. Now make sure you put the wiper arm down, because if you don't, it can fall on its own and crack the windshield. So you can ask me later how I know this. So on many of the cars you got the one blade that's longer than the other. So you just compare to make sure you're putting the right one on the right side. This one is the long one. So make sure you wrap your fingers all the way around it so you don't lose control of it and crack the windshield. So you just push in, click, tug on it, make sure it's not going to pop loose, and wipe off the sand and silt that gets up underneath there so you don't end up wiping that across your windshield, get those sand marks. I find that people often don't clean their wipers when they clean their windshield, so it's an important thing to do. And you put it very gently back down so it doesn't have the capacity to swing down and chip. Just for safety, I'm going to put a rag underneath it in case I lose control of it. You really don't want that to happen. And just click it in. Make sure you tug on it so it's not going to come loose. There you go. So let's look at the ones that came off so that you'll know what to look for if you're checking out your wiper arms, the wiper blades. You see these were old. They were a good brand, but they were old. You see they're starting to separate. When this happens, you get nothing but smears. It can be dangerous driving. Well, check back with us later.